it all starts here. Watch this come alive. Now, we bring the heat. Perfect. Every angle.
This looks like a normal picture, but it's actually Todd. Let me show you can do this too.
Every paid AI tools now are free using this platform. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use Clean 3.0 to create that video you just watched now, and how you can use other tools such as Cadence 2.0, Grok AI, Sora 2, Sora 3, all available on this platform. And the best part is that it works whether in a mobile phone or with your PC. So guys, stick around, let me walk you through step by step on how you can get this done. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and go ahead and type in Robonio AI and click this first one. This is the interface. Now, this method works both on your PC and your mobile phone. So go ahead and use any one of your choice. So once you open up, you're going to have an interface like this that says try Cadence 2.0 on Robonio now, try now, and you also have login details. Okay, now if you use your login detail, that's your email, and you've exhausted everything, I want to show you how you can generate a temporary email to use for this purpose. So once you are done exhausting your regular Google email, you can as well go ahead and use a temporary email. Okay, now if you look at here, we have text to video, image to video, motion control, reference image to video, video editing, and all of that. I mean, everything here. Okay, once you click on this sign up, you're going to see continue with email, continue with Facebook, continue with your Apple. Here is your Gmail. Right now, you're going to select this continue with email. All right, now this is going to bring you to this interface that says welcome to Robonio. Right here, look down here, you're going to see register with email. Now this register with email, we are going to create a temporary email, so you don't have to stress yourself about using your real email. Well, you can go ahead and use your email, but once you are done with the free credit that you have available, you can switch to this temporary email. Do you understand that part? Now go ahead and register this email. Now this is what you are going to do. Okay, I'm going to do something for you here. All right, now we are going to register. You are going to come to this website, temporary mail, to create our temporary email for us to use for the next step. Right, so once you click on here, it's going to open up to this interface. Temporary email is loading. Look at here, it's loading. Now once it's finished loading, the next thing you're going to do is to copy this email. This is the email. Go ahead and copy this to your clipboard. It's copied now. Now head back to your Robonio website, like the interface. Now we're going to register that email. All right, paste the email here and enter any password of your choice. So register. It's going to take us back to our login details. Okay, now look at it. Say we should save it. I don't want to save it. No thanks. Now they sent the code. Code has been sent. Okay, here we are going to enter the code verification. So we are going to type in this thing. Okay, complete verification to secure you are human. So we are going to type here. So make sure you pass through this. Okay, I think that, yeah, successful. So there's your seconds is counting. So head back to your temp website. Okay, then go down. You're going to see, look at it, receive online starting from verify your email. So let's go. Okay, take this code, hurry up and paste it here. Don't allow the seconds to exhaust. Okay, beautiful. So you've successfully created a temporary mail for this purpose. Okay, so we are in automatically, we are locked in. Look at it, it's taking us into the interface directly. So this is how you are doing it to get the temporary email. I hope you got to that point. Awesome. So the next thing you're going to see here, you're going to see new project. Okay, allowed. Go ahead and allowed. You're going to see new projects. Okay, now you're going to, as you are in this interface, right, you're going to click on this new chat. Okay, you're going to see an interface like this. Remember, you have 70 credits, right, and you're already locked in. So open up to an interface like this. Okay, it's a blank space where you have to start creating your videos. So you see this plus sign, you're going to start from here. you can either drag it, right, or you click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see something like this. What we need is text to video. This is exactly what we are looking for, text to video. Okay, let's do our settings. Now look at, if you look at this place, you're going to see 100 carrots when we have only 70 carrots. Okay, don't forget we have 70 carrots, so we need to reduce it. Now look at, if you open this model, select model, you are going to see that Cadence 2.0 is 100 carrots. This one is 80 carrots. To see clean, even clean AI is here, 24 carrots. So you can use Sora 2 Pro, you can use View 3.1, see here. So we are going to still select this Cadence. This is what we are looking for, Cadence 2.0. all right, now here we are going to come here, duration. We need to reduce this duration to, let's see what 9 seconds will give us. 9 seconds gives us 90 carrots. So we need to reduce it so that we can have 70 carrots. So resolution is let's reduce it to 4.8. Now when you reduce the resolution, it reduces the carrot, meaning that the quality of your video will be a little bit down. But let's take it back to 720 pixels, like resolution. Do you understand? Now what we need to do is to reduce our duration. Let's reduce it to 7 seconds. Let's see what 7 seconds will give us. 7 seconds gives us 70 carrots. So approximately we are going to exhaust our 70 carrots, right? Now the sound here is on. Ratio, aspect ratio, we need to select it to our desired aspect ratio, which is 16 by 9. Awesome. So the settings is ready. What we need here is our prompt so that we can run the carrot. So go back to your ChatGPT. This is where I'm going to get my prompt from. So this is our scene 1. Okay, my scene 1, I'm going to copy everything. So you already have your own prompt. We have our voice over here, right? We have our sound. Okay, this is image prompt. Okay, image prompt, animation prompt, animation sound. This is animation. Okay, good. We have image prompts here and animation and voiceover and then sound. Let's head back to our moment to copy all your prompts. Okay, the first box that is there, you see is text box, right? You paste your prompt there and it's actually going to reflect there. Then you head over to select your model. Okay, now all those models you are seeing there, you are going to try all of them. They are all free as long as they are there. All what you need is little adjustment in terms of the duration, the seconds. That is how many seconds? 4 seconds. So the lower the seconds, the chances for you to create it, because you have 70 carrots. So whatever you want to create per day should not exceed 70 credits. And also remember that 70 credit plus 20 credit, that's how many? That is like 90 credits per day. So that means you can literally create up to 4 videos using 30 carrots. So I'm going to use clean 3.0 like you are seeing here to go ahead. But if you create anything higher than that, higher than the 70 or the 90 credits, it will not go through. So once you finish, you click on that next thing that is using the carrot and you have your video ready. Guys, let's see the outcome of this video. Now this video is not speaking, okay, it's just for sound. I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI as we proceed. So let's play and see. Unmute the sound.
It all starts here.
Perfect. So guys, we've gotten our first clip for that 3 seconds and we are able to create that, so you can use it and create more. So now we want to head over to our new model, how to use Grok AI on this interface. So go ahead and still click that create new, okay, that plus button, and it's going to pop up giving you the same interface. That's the same process we did in the first one. Remember what we are using this time around. We are going to be using image to video, no more text to video, okay, because we already have our image. Okay, so like you said, you can still use text to video. It all depends on you. So I want to show you the image to video pattern. So click on that image to video and it will take you into this interface that allows you to bring in your image. This is beautiful. Now if we to close all of these things that is on the screen, you will have to tap on the empty space. Okay, you either tap on the empty space or you tap on that plus sign that you clicked, any of those methods, and you can click on that collapse button to collapse the other one. Exactly. So you can have a full screen like you're seeing here. Now you already have these 3 nodes. These 3 nodes, you can move them to any position, adjust them so they can be able to see and edit everything. So that first box is for text, the second one is for image. All of them are all connected to the body, like to the model we want to use. So you can go ahead and bring in your image, go ahead and bring in your script, and then once that is done, you are going to select Grok AI, exactly, Grok as the model. So you want to select Grok as the model, you're going to adjust all your settings, 2 seconds, depending on the number of carrots that is there. Okay, like you are seeing here, I've brought in my image and I've pasted my text, that is my prompt. Okay, now you can use your scroll. Okay, scroll it anyhow, just adjust just to make sure you have what you're looking for. So like you can see the model there is Grok. You click on it to give you other models, so you can try other models too. So you select the number of durations you need. The number of durations must be equivalent to the number of carrots you have. Okay, don't always forget that. So once you select that and it matches the number of carrots you have, go ahead and generate. This means that you can generate longer videos using this particular method depending on the number of carrots. Yes, the number of carrots you have. Watch to this moment and you've not liked the video and subscribe, I don't know, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and like the video, subscribe and share it to others so they can be able to use Grok AI to still generate. So our video is ready, like you can see. It doesn't take time. We are going to play for you to see the outcome. Guys, don't forget to drop me a comment and let me know how to feel or what to feel about this. Go ahead and use it and generate as many videos as you want. See you in the next one.
Too. It's like a picture, but it's actually toy. Money show you can do this too.
Guys, that is beautiful. So you can go ahead and download it once you are satisfied. So this is it.